It it's just like a chips. Yeah. It's Christmas ball. Maybe you need to put inside. Hi guys, and welcome to my vlog for today. So today, andito kami sa Baywalk ng aking habi-dabi kasi nag-crave si Rick ng Indian food. So actually dito sa Sorsogon City, dalawa lang yung Indian restaurant na matatagpuan, yung Taj Mahal at saka yung Delia's Diner, but same owner. So isa lang yung may-ari nun, and nag-split lang sa dalawa. So ito nga guys, andito kami ngayon sa Taj Mahal. Okay, so i-try namin. Hindi pa kasi kami nakakain dito. Since si Rick na pumunta dito, nandito na siya. So ngayon nga gusto namin i-try yung Indian food, and this is the Baywalk. Okay? So yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So ayan, so in this part guys, dito lang ako malapit sa restaurant at iikot ko lang kayo. So kung nakikita nyo yung yan yung torre ng cathedral. Okay, and meron dito malaking parking space. At andito guys yung mga rows of restaurants and resto bars dyan sa side na yan, sa part na yan. Ayan, napakadaming restaurant dyan. Pumili kayo kung anong gusto nyong restaurant. But usually they just offer same variety of food. You know, Filipino food and some Western food. At dito guys sa part na to is yung mga street food. So right now the weather is not so good. Ayan, bigla na lang uulan. Kaya medyo kakaunti lang yung mga food cart na andyan sa gilid. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. But still, napakadami pa rin tao. So medyo papadilim na nga at makikita nyo naman ang Alapaap, Kalawakan na yan. Ang ganda guys ng super amazing yung sunset. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, ang ganda, grabe, napakaganda ng sunset, lalo na doon, parang apoy. Ayan, so gusto ko lang nung tingnan yan yung sunset, so beautiful. Yan. But then, after a while, bigla siyang uulan. So, dito na nga tayo. So, sa part na to guys, andito yung Taj Mahal Indian Restaurant. At nandito din yung restroom. At merong massage. Ayan, kung gusto nyo magpamassage after nyo kumain or bago kayo kumain, yan, pwede kayong magpamassage. So, silipin natin kung ano yung meron dito sa Indian Restaurant. Okay, pakita ko muna sa inyo dito sa side na to. So, ito yung Baywalk. At doon sa part na yon ay yung Coastal Road going to SM, at may ginagawa pang isang diversion road going to Kasiguran. At kung hindi ang panahon, pag magandang panahon, kitang-kita dyan yung Bulusan Volcano. But right now, hindi siya hindi siya kagandahan, charot. But guys, napakaganda, napaka-breezy, napakasarap lang hapin ng hangin dagat. Yan, di ba? Ang ganda tingnan. So nandyan yung Bulusan Volcano, at eto nga guys yung Taj Mahal. So dito na tayo. Yan. So dito guys sa labas, may ilan silang mga mesa. Ayan, tingnan natin yung kanilang menu. Ayan, yung kanilang Taj Mahal menu. Ayan, merong samosa, pani puri, shot papri, green salad, crab and corn, chicken masala, butter chicken, ayan, chicken ginger beef curry, keema aloo, chicken gizzards, curry masala, fried spicy buttered chicken. And meron silang bihindi, dal, cumin potatoes, mixed veggie. May pansit. May Filipino dish din. Adobo, crispy pata, beef steak, Tagalog, chop suey, fish curry, spicy garlic, fish and chips, salt and pepper chips. At dito naman sa likod, yung kanilang mga specialties ay Halim Special, taali ni Hari, biryani. Ayan, masarap yan. Beef pepper steak with potatoes, pepper sauce. Ayan, may french fries, country potatoes, ranch buttered potatoes, basmati rice, jasmine rice, veggie fried rice, roti, paratha, stuffed paratha, raita salad, mismo sodas. Ayan, may masala chai, cardamom tea, coffee french, beer. Ayan, Coke Zero, mango jubilee, vermicelli, at gajerella. So, yan yung kanilang menu so far. At ito yung kanilang best sellers. Nakikita nyo, panipuri, nihati, fish curry, chicken masala. May spicy balong. Yan. So, tingnan na natin at baka dito na sir. Yan, sarap.
Masala chai po.
Thank you. Okay, this is the masala chai. Let's Rick waiting for order. This is the masala chai. Actually, chai means tea, and I order it hot. Okay, let's taste it. Oh, look at this. Pani puri.
How you eat it?
I don't know. You need to try how to eat that. This is like a side dish of salad, but look at that, so good. It's just like a chips. Yeah, it's Christmas ball. Maybe you need to put inside. Yeah. Ignorante nga kami guys kasi first time namin kumain dito sa restaurant. And this is vinegar, I guess. Yeah. How's that? See, like a ball. Like a Christmas ball. Yeah, that is the pani puri of Taj Mahal restaurant. Ah, galing. And this is the samosa. Just like samosa.
I didn't know that. Did you?
Huh? I ordered this. Just like we'll try that like it's hot. Hot. Nice. Okay. Okay, that's a spicy garlic shrimp and the potatoes and chicken masala is roti. Yan guys, ang sarap na ng chicken masala dito sa Taj Mahal. Yan, roti. Ito yung stuffed paratha. Yan, kaya pala ganyan siya. So far, yan, nagustuhan naman ni Rick.
We're done na. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa may-ari kasi sila mismo yung nagluto ng aming food. And napakasarap ng Indian food, guys. So, thank you so much, Taj Mahal and the Baywalk. And to all my subscribers and members, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And see you again on my next YouTube video. Tara, uwi na tayo.